aim a bit towards his face.
Yeah, if we take his head off, that'd be good.
Wait a minute. Turn it, then. Lovely. What's the idiot?
Oh, he's been right in your head! You just let it out.
Again, come on. One more.
I'll put it backwards, so I don't know
Yeah.
I'll get close up filming.
You can. You're stuck. A bit tight. Get the knife and just. Take some of this one. Wait, I've got some more. There you go. Down.
Are you aiming or?
I can aim. I hate you. I will. Oh! That was a bit too tight, yeah?
Oh, that was loose.
That was too bad. Should we try it?
That would come out.
Try it. Oh no, you wrap the tissue around it. Yes. Go on. Wait, we've got one more.
Hey, we have.
One more, wait.
We're going to make that sound like John Vince. I've got twice as well.
Do it a bit thinner so it's got. It's going down.
So funny. Maybe it's soft as well, hit you.
Should we go get some aerosols?
Get that thing for like all industrial.
We'll all get one each and we play fucking fighting each other.
We said two. Two
That's
teams.
like two
popped up
teams.
over there.
It must be a hard cut anyway.
Good
Hey, Benedict.
What is that?
Is it tied in or not? It's a bit tight.
Perfect.
What is that?
Warding.
Egg. This is old
I
fashioned
think
stuff.
that's a bit tight, isn't it?
They normally will fire them out, they think it's that tight.
Out of the warding.
No, you fill a little bottle of water if that bottle fits.
No, don't know. I'm standing clear for a little bit.
Get out there!
Get out
Out there! Where's it?
I'm trying to hit this time.
Lovely.
We need they were the best of it. No, too tight. Yeah.
Keep knifing up for up.
Wrist?
That's the arm.
Good?
Broken.
Yeah, crack.
Little girly crap.
2 weeks ago, eh? They're going back for it.
Got put on. Yeah, got put on.
Do it now, do it now.
Then need to go down.
Well, do you like me to crash that stomach? Come on, you've got to get it.
What's in this, an egg? Nah, orange. Stay careful.
Nu får de se till att träffa.
Get too close to the barrel.
Ägg de sköt förra gången.
Det var det.
You're running low on a fly.
Vad fan.
No, speaking, they're not the
aerosol goes down.
no, when you cut them as well, you don't get the perfect like skin. You like it.
Is there any other trick?
No.
Yeah, what about going and get
Brake cleaner or something, 'cause that's not working.
Yeah, you get something that's something like.
Nick,
Even if they don't fit that well.
Walking manager, just for it.
Cut a bit of this, and we'll go to the supermarket and just find stuff that.
Yeah, we just keep buying the oranges.
Yeah, just try a load of oranges. That's it.
Yeah, Satsuma.
Yeah, because that would be perfect.